Namaste. Welcome to Nikki's Arafaflev's workshop, speak workshop. I'm Zoe Anastasia in the Troodos Mountains, and here's Nikki to tell you a few more things about the products. Nikki.
Hello, I am Nikki. Here we make traditional sweets and marmalade from Cyprus. In Cyprus, here we make it more 60 different kinds of fruits or vegetables for sweets and marmalade, or for sweet and marmalade for diabetic people. We make also products from the grapes. We make it sucukos. We have done that in front from the sucukos, in the middle. For the sucukos, we need 1 week to finish. We cook just from the grapes with flour. We make it something like a cream, and we dip it inside nuts from almond or from walnut. You can see here we have different divots, 5 divots exactly. Every day we dip it just 1 time, and we have the very traditional dessert. The name is sucukos. Also here we make it sweets, traditional sweets. Our traditional sweets, the fruit in syrup, and marmalade. It's in Cyprus we said all marmalade. It's marmalade, jam, or confiture. You can come in here to tasting, to see how we make. All the our workshop is open for all the people to see how we make. Every day we work from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock the afternoon, Monday, Friday. You can find the internet. We have site. It's nikkisfeeds.com.cy. We have a shop upstairs. You can taste in there. Everything. You can come in Cyprus. You can taste it. We are open for all of you. Thank you.